Morning everyone. Today's going to be special. We have a new energy drink to test. So Michael with Campus Protein sent me this new Keto Meltdown, or Meltdown Keto, however you want to say it. I think either one works. It is from the makers of Bang and VPX Sports. So we're going to test this out today, see what it tastes like, see how it makes us feel, and more importantly, see what it does to our blood glucose and our ketones. So let's jump right into it. Let's test our blood. All right, let's start by testing our blood glucose. $99. Wow, we're a little bit high this morning. Okay, let's test the ketones. Starting point's 1.1, so let's taste this and drink this energy drink. First initial taste is good. It is not super sweet like all the other stuff. Like, I love Bang, and don't get me wrong, but sometimes Bang is a little overly sweet. But man, this is perfect on taste. I will definitely buy these. Let's just chug it, why not? A little hard to chug, it's cold. That's good. That is really good. Let's talk about this product. So right off the bat, it's 12 ounces. It's not like the bigger cans, like the 16 ounce, but Bangs and all those other energy drinks like Monster and stuff. So, you know, to shotgun one of these or drink them quickly would probably be okay to do. Whereas, you know, a lot of people don't just take a Bang energy drink and just drink the whole thing and then go work out. I feel like this would be something that if you wanted to supplement your workout with, you could pretty much drink it quick. It was super cold, so it was hard for me to drink really quick. So let's get to the supplements in it and just the ingredients overall. So first thing that is great about it is the electrolytes. And with doing the ketogenic diet, you're constantly flushing those electrolytes because your body's not holding on to water due to the absence of carbohydrates. So you always want to get as much electrolytes as you can. That's why when people say, oh, you're having too much salt in your diet, well, if you're doing keto, no, you're not, because you're flushing it constantly. It shows sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. The next thing that really, stands apart from all the other energy drinks is it has GO-BHB in it. So your beta-hydroxybutyrol or beta-hydroxybutyrate, however you want to say it, it's BHB. Everybody knows that in the keto community. So the GO-BHB, so exogenous ketones, exogenous ketones, whatever you want to call it, it has that in there. 7,500 milligrams. So, and that's kind of a mix of different BHBs. So it's got sodium BHB, potassium BHB, magnesium BHB, calcium BHB. And so the proprietary blend, a lot of people always complain about that. Oh, we don't really know what we're getting, but really all I'm looking at is it's 250 milligrams, and that's caffeine and TeaCrine or TeaCrine. So it's a form of creatine. A lot of these energy drinks now, especially these ready to drink like workout drinks, I think C4 has one. I know Mr. Hyde has one now, obviously Bang. A lot of these have creatine in it. This is TeaCrine. Just look it up if you want to know anything about that. But either way, there's 250 milligrams of that in there with the caffeine. So I'm not 100% sure how much caffeine is in this, but I'm guessing, anywhere from 150 to 200, give or take a few. If I find the actual information on that, I'll let you know about it. Ingredients. So I'm looking at the ingredients, and the only thing that I see that anybody would ever even talk crap about a sucralose, but I'll be honest with you, I'd rather sucralose be in there than maltodextrin or dextrin or, you know, all these other aspartames and that kind of stuff. So sucralose, that's awesome. I'm totally cool with that. So anyway, let's wait to take our blood and see what it does to our blood glucose and what it does to our blood ketones. I'll see you in a moment. We're at the 30-minute mark. We're gonna test our blood glucose and ketones. We're gonna test it at an hour, and then we're gonna test it at 2 hours.
Okay.
Did you get all that, Jet?
Uh-huh.
Blood glucose. We are at 99, if you remember.
Okay.
97, so we've dropped down a little bit, which is good.
Okay.
You're cracking me up, buddy. What was that?
Wow.
Started at 1.1. I'm hoping that it has went up. You know, it does have Go BHB in it, so it should go up. It should. 1.3, so we've already went up 0.2 and it's only been 30 minutes. Let's come back in 30 more minutes and that'll be the hour mark, and then the last final test will be the 2 hour mark. Real quick, 30 minutes in to drinking Meltdown Keto, or Keto Meltdown. I think you could say it either way and nobody would be upset about it. I have lots of energy. I feel great. I was telling Amanda, man, if we didn't have the kids right now, we'd be going to the gym and banging out a workout because I feel great. In 30 minutes, we've already rose 0.2 in our ketone levels. That's great. That's what it's supposed to do. So as of right now, awesome. It's lowering my blood sugar slowly by slowly, but I'm even more fasted and fasted. Well, I broke my fast. That don't make any sense. Anyway, just initial thoughts. Love it so far. So I'm hoping at the hour mark, we get even higher ketones, and the 2 hour mark, we even go back up. If you remember Bang was great for us, and then when it hit the 2 hour mark, it started doing something weird with our blood glucose. It didn't affect our ketones that much, but it more affected our blood glucose. But a lot of people are going to use Bang and these type of ready to drink energy drinks as a workout. So, you know, you're going to burn off any kind of sugar that your body's producing during that time. And a lot of bodybuilders will tell you, you know, you should be doing some carbohydrate loads before you work out to increase your sugar. You know, targeted keto is the same way. I'm gonna stop rambling on. Either way, I don't need to get into all the science of it, but as of right now, it's good. It's good. We are now at the hour mark. We are going to test the blood glucose.
Okay.
99, so we came back up to 99. Now we're gonna test blood ketones.
Okay.
1.1, so we're back where we started, and that is an hour after drinking the Meltdown Keto. We're gonna come back in approximately 1 more hour, and that will be the 2 hour mark, and I will be absolutely starving at that point. So I'll eat immediately after that, but so far so good. It has been 2 hours. This is gonna be our final test. The neighbors weed eating and mowing outside, so it's like super loud. Of course, I don't know if it's any less loud with the washer dryer going in the background. But we need to finish this up and conclude this test. This is a 2 hour mark. So 2 hours from drinking the Meltdown Keto. Let's do our blood glucose first. We originally started at 99 and we went down a little bit, and then we came back up to 99. We are at 93, so that's beautiful. Now for the true test. We started at 1.1 and then we went to I think like 1.3 or 1.5, something like that, and then back down to 1.1. So we at least want to be at 1.1, right? .8. I apologize if the sound quality is bad, but I can't go outside. We're washing stuff. This is the best I can do. All right, so I know we jumped down to 0.8, but remember, we've not had any kind of fats today. All we've had is that energy drink. For the most part, it was good. It stayed good. I'm definitely saying it's keto friendly right now, 100%. If you're gonna drink an energy drink, it's just as good as you doing Bang or something like that. But the fact that you're introducing those ketones with the energy drink is great. So a lot of people's gonna say, you know, I want an energy drink when I go work out. Well, that would definitely be a perfect one to do. I had so much energy like within 20-30 minutes of drinking that. Like, I would love to go to the gym right after drinking a can of that and see how good my workout is. And maybe we'll do that just to see what the workout's like, you know, get up at like 5 o'clock in the morning, shotgun one of those, and then just hit the gym and don't take anything else. I would love to do that. But as far as like the ketone levels going down, again, you don't have any fat, you haven't put any fat in your body the whole entire day, so use it as a workout supplement, or if you want an energy drink, drink it. But for the most part, it's definitely keto friendly. I don't care what anybody has to say about it. It is definitely keto friendly. It did not knock me down, and it didn't raise my blood sugar. Actually, my blood sugar's, you know, constantly been coming down, which is a great thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We're definitely going to do more of these testing of different energy drinks and things like that. But Meltdown Keto is definitely my favorite as of right now. It's going to replace any other energy drink that I would have bought. I really love Bang, which is from VPX Sports, which makes Meltdown Keto, so that just makes me even happier. In case I forgot to mention it, Michael at Campus Protein hooked us up with that Meltdown Keto. Super awesome person. If you want to get the best prices, go to campusprotein.com. They have great prices. That's where I'll be buying my Meltdown Keto at. I don't know where else you can even get it at. So just hit them up. Tell them Jason sent you from Keto Etiquette. Oh, that looks yummy. Remember all that delicious food we ate earlier? That was about an hour ago. Let's just see what our blood looks like. I'm curious. Remember, we were staying in the high 90s to low 90s. Still at 99. So our blood glucose hasn't really went down much. Here's what I'm more interested in. Remember, wait for that flashing blood drop. .2. Awesome. So that means the food we ate did us some good with all the fat in it. Also, we had the keto coffee.
But I did cheat last night. Sorry.
That's not bad, right?
Jet Edward, 2 years old. Let's see. What's it say?
22 pounds.
22 pounds.
Take your hand off of that thing over there.
Yeah.
There you go. 27.8.
27.8.
Hot wings and pickles sounds good to me. I'm not eating a whole lot just because I know I'm going to be filming these runners and all that stuff. Hopefully those flies are not landing on my food. This was legit the hardest event shot I have ever had to do. I basically ran this race with them. Thank God it was 5 miles long, because if it would have been a 5K, I wouldn't have got the shots that I did. Simple as that. I know some people buy this keto collagen from Perfect Keto, which is really, really good. It is by far the best, in my opinion, taste-wise. I think you can probably get some cheaper, but the ingredients are a little bit, you know, not on par, if you will, with the keto community. But anyway, I use this as a keto hot chocolate. So instead of using like baker's cocoa and stevia and so on, I do 1 scoop of this, which is 10 grams of collagen. I usually do 1 or 2 tablespoons of this coconut oil. And the heavy whipping cream, I usually do 2 tablespoons, but if you wanted to do 6, you could. It's completely up to you. Either way, I did not eat dinner tonight, so my calories are super low today, and I shot that 5-mile race. Literally ran the entire time. It was hard. But let's mix this up, drink it, and call it a night. You drink?
No.
No? Okay. That used to say keep it keto on there. Has a cool fox on the other end.
Okay.
I'm gonna enjoy this drink and then go to bed after I upload all that footage to both of my hard drives, my backup hard drives. That way nothing happens to that footage, because we worked really hard to get that footage. So until the next one, keep it keto. Say keep it keto? Keto? Keto. That works. Bye. It is good.